guys, this is Kelly from City Slickers Homestead. So I just kind of wanted to give you a taste of this nice little thunderstorm that's going on today. Let you hear the wonderful sounds of nature and see how much our garden is really enjoying this weather right now. This is pretty much what it's been doing in Ohio 90% of the time. So I figured I'd record some of the nice thunder and lightning that's going on here this evening. Let you guys enjoy the sounds of the storms. It's not a very heavy rain. It's just mainly thunder and lightning right now. It's just very relaxing. Good lightning. Hope you guys are hearing the thunder. It's pretty amazing. That was good lightning. That was a good thunder. Okay guys, well I just wanted to share a little bit of our tranquility with you that we get living in the city. You always hear loud noises, loud music, loud cars, but it's like when you get a nice good thunderstorm, it's kind of relaxing just sitting on the back porch. You hear the birds, the thunder and the lightning. It's nice. So I will go ahead and end this here. Just wanted to give you guys a little taste of some relaxing sounds from our nice little thunderstorm going on here in Ohio. If you guys like videos like this, leave a comment down below and I can try to do more of these, especially the way our weather's been. We'll definitely have some more. And I'll try to get some more videos going for you guys. Hopefully before too long I'll start getting some more canning done and have some more garden updates as well. Hopefully get down to our community lot and do a video of that. So if you could, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.